Hey guys, today I want to share with you a project that I recently worked on in my university. It was a project that involved controlling LED lights using a push button and the AVR ATmega328P microcontroller with the Arduino programming environment. The whole experience was really interesting and fun, and I'm excited to tell you all about it. Through this project, I learned a lot about electronics and programming, and even though it was challenging at times, it was totally worth it. I can't wait to show you what I created and inspire you to learn more about this amazing field. So, without further delay, let's dive in and explore how we can control LED lights using a push button and the AVR ATmega 328P microcontroller. I hope you find this project as fascinating as I did. And who knows, maybe it will inspire you to create something even more amazing. Stay tuned for more exciting videos. Thank you for watching.